Hi, welcome to a new Triggre Weekend Masterclass. And in this series of episodes, I am going to explain you a little bit about Petty Portal. It's an HR tool and how you can extend that portal. And in this case, it's about vacations, and you can request your vacations in this portal. And what I'm going to do in this episode is I'm going to extend this application with a connection via Zapier to your calendar, that as soon as somebody plans his vacation, that vacation is posted in a calendar via Office 365 as well, so that everybody can see who has which vacation. So first I'm going to show you how this application works, and after that I'm going to show you how I've created this in a designer of Triggre. And finally, I'm also going to show you what I've created in Zapier, so that you know how you can configure it there as well. So without further ado, let's go to the application. In this application, you can request your vacation. You can make a leave request. And as soon as I do that as an employee, my manager needs to approve that leave request. And after the approval, I want it to be automatically sent to the calendar I just spoke about. So I'm going to request a leave, and the start date is, for instance, next week from the 7th until the 8th. That's only 2 days, and that's it. My supervisor just received an email with that request, and well, in this case I am also the supervisor, so I can check out the new leave requests which I have over here, and I can approve or decline it. So in this case I'm going to approve it, and as soon as I did, this one will be sent to Zapier and to my calendar. So let's check out the calendar first, because it should pop up, and there you go, you can see my calendar here. When I go to the designer, what do we have here? Technically, it's not that complicated. We have the user flows, we have the leave requests where I approve them, and I have to approve the new leave requests, which is over here. And as soon as it's approved, we update the leave request, and after that we go to the flow part, approve leave, which is already there, and we're going to extend that one. So we go to the flow parts, we have approve leave. And the only thing that I did is add this little small action, which is an interface connection to Zapier. Send the vacation to Zapier. And when I open it, I just select the items I would like to send to Zapier. Rename them if I want to, and that's it. You have to keep in mind that in these cases, as soon as you've created this, you need to publish first before you are able to retrieve this information in Zapier itself, because else Zapier can't, let's say, see this specific connection, so it doesn't know what to do with it. So if we go to Zapier, we have a Zap here, and the first step is Triggre. And in this case, I have to connect it to my account, and I select the Zapier action from Triggre is send a vacation to Zapier. And as you can see, that is the same name that I added here. So send vacation to Zapier is the same name. Of course, you can test it. It will pull some data out of your application or define some stub data, which you can use to create the second step, which is a Zap to Microsoft Office 365. And you can create an event. There are several things that you can do there. You can also create a contact or send an email, but in this case we want to create an event. And in this case I linked it to my account. So that means that it's linked to the calendar of my own. So it's going to be put into my own calendar. Well, if you have multiple calendars, you can select one here. You can add the subject, start time, end time, if it's an all-day event or not, and you can add a description to the calendar item. You can even state if you're busy or free, add attendees, which is not applicable with vacations. And that's all you need to do. So as soon as you enable this app, the system will automatically send that information to Office 365 and add it to your calendar. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this first video about Paddock Portal and how you can modify it. If you did, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.